All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So die. 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 Yeah, here we are. Die. Die. So to not be alive anymore. So let's try and get a picture. Here we are. To die. There we are. To not be alive anymore. Yeah. So it will die soon. It will die if we don't help it. It will die if we don't help it. It will die if we don't help it. Yes. All those things might die. We think the forest is slowly dying. Dying, yes. It died last night. Yeah. They could have died unless we had not helped them last night. Had we not helped them last night, they might have died. It is dying now. Yes. I saw it and it was dying. The whole field, the crops, the whole field, the crops and nature was dying in front of me. It was dying in front of me. Yeah. Yeah. The sun will die in the future. Yes. In a billion years or so, the sun will die out. Yeah, the sun. Let's get a picture of the sun. Here we are. Yeah. Okay. Try that again. The sun. There we are. Will die out. Yeah. How cool is that? So, die. Yes. Now, can you use die in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.